Pakistan's popular markets and restaurants are some of the most important places that embody the country's social and economic life. In Pakistani restaurants, masala is prepared by following precise steps to create a rich and balanced flavor. The process begins by heating oil or ghee in a large pot, then adding chopped onions and frying them until golden. Then, add the crushed garlic and ginger and fry the mixture for a few minutes. Ground spices such as turmeric, coriander, cumin, curry, and red pepper are added and cooked until they release their aromatic fragrance. Then, add chopped tomatoes or tomato paste and cook the mixture until it turns into a thick sauce. Then add the meat or chicken and cook over medium heat until it is fully cooked and absorbs all the flavors. Finally, yogurt or cream is added to add richness to the sauce, and the mixture is left on low heat for a few minutes. Popular markets are the heart of commercial life in Pakistan, creating a lively and active atmosphere, attracting local visitors and tourists alike, as they provide a unique shopping experience that reflects the rich Pakistani culture. In Pakistan, restaurants and bakeries that serve pastries and samosas are popular places. These restaurants are found in abundance in popular markets in large cities such as Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad. These restaurants offer a variety of pastries, including samosas, kebab rolls, and baklava, with samosas being one of the most popular dishes. They are usually served with a variety of sauces and are an ideal snack, especially during occasions and banquets. These restaurants are famous for serving samosas in different types, such as samosas with meat or potatoes, and are often fried or baked to suit different tastes. In addition, these restaurants are very popular as samosas are an essential part of meals. As for popular restaurants, they are a social gathering, where people gather to eat their favorite meals and connect with friends and family. These restaurants are famous for serving traditional dishes that reflect the diversity of Pakistani cuisine, such as biryani, kebab, nihari, and masala. Despite their simplicity, these restaurants are very popular because of their distinctive flavor and reasonable prices. Eating out in these restaurants is part of daily life in Pakistan, where people enjoy sitting at simple tables and enjoying meals in an informal and comfortable atmosphere. This gathering contributes to strengthening social bonds between people, as everyone exchanges talk and laughter, reflecting the spirit of hospitality and generosity that characterizes Pakistani culture. These restaurants also contribute to supporting the local economy by providing employment opportunities for many people, from chefs to delivery workers. Some of these restaurants are famous even beyond the borders of Pakistan, as they have become a favorite destination for Pakistani food lovers around the world.